How to order safely on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can order safely on Shein. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to order safely on Shein, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. The first step is to turn on two-factor authentication for your Shein account. So from the Shein app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, which will take you over here, and you'll have the option to turn on two-factor authentication. So you can go to manage my account, and there you can see email and phone number. Make sure you add all of those as well. You also want to make sure to choose a very secure password in this case, and you can also try to use a VPN whenever you're ordering, and make sure to add payment methods very securely. So you can use a credit or debit card, or you can use a PayPal to actually find those. And you want to make sure to review the order details. So whenever you're ordering, make sure to check the product's review, the number of orders, the seller's rating, and the reviews as well, you can see. And then after you've done that only, you can go about placing your order to order very safely on Shein. These are some of the steps that you can follow to order safely on Shein. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.